In this video, we will be learning Threat Intelligence Framework. There are many threat intelligence frameworks, but few of the populars are Lockheed Martin Cyber Kill Chain, Diamond Model, and Micro Attack Framework. So let's look one by one. Lockheed Martin Framework. Cyber attacks aren't new, but they are stacked for every level on a higher than ever. Adversaries are more sophisticated and well-resourced and highly trained. Our nation's security and prosperity depend on a critical infrastructure. Protect these assets required a clear understanding of adversary and their motivations and strategies. The kill chain model is designed in 7 steps. Defender goal is to understand the aggregate action and intelligence. First, reconnaissance. In reconnaissance, adversary is in the planning phase of an operation and conducting the research to understand which target will enable them to meet their objective. It can be harvesting email address, identifying employee on the social media network, collecting press release, contract award, conference attendance list, discovering internet facing server. The adversary in weaponization. The adversary are in the preparation and staging phase of an operation. Malware generation is like not done by hand. They use automated tool, a weaponizer, couple of malware and exploit into a deliverable payload. Obtain weaponizing either in-house or obtained through a public or private channel. For the file and exploiting, select decoy document and present the victim. Third, delivery. Launching the operation. The adversary convey the malware into target and have a launch of an operation. Adversary release delivery can be a malicious email, malicious on USB stick, social media interaction, and watering hole attack. Fourth, exploitation. It's gaining access to victim. The adversary must be exploit or vulnerable to gain access. The phase 0 day refer to the exploit code used in this step. It can be software, hardware, or human vulnerability. Acquire or deploy 0 day exploit. Victim trigger exploit can be open attachment of malicious email, clicking malicious link. Installation phase is establishing breachhead at the victim. The adversary typically install the persistent backdoor and implant in the victim environment to monitor access for extended period of time. It can be installing web shell on a web server, installing backdoors, creating point of persistence by adding an auto registry key, and some adversary like timestamp filing and making malware appear as a part of standard operating system. Sixth, command and control. Malware open a command and control channel to enable adversary to remotely manipulate the victim. It can be an open two-way communication channel to C2 infrastructure. Most common C2 channels are over a web, DNS and email protocol. C2 infrastructure may be adversary owned by another victim network itself. Last, action of objective. It is achieving the mission goal. With hands on keyboard access into the accomplish the mission goal. What happens next depends on who is on the keyboard. It can be a collection of credentials, privilege escalation, internal reconnaissance, lateral movement, collecting and exploiting data, destroying system and overwriting the corrupted data. Another framework is Diamond Model. This model emphasizes relationship and characteristics of 4 basic components: the adversaries, capabilities, infrastructure, and victim. For example, a victim discovers malware on his system. Second, malware component connect to C2 domain. Third, a infrastructure such as a C2 domain resolve an IP address. Fourth, domain who is providing registration. In more detail, for example, a victim finds a malicious hash on his system. Then I come to know that hash has a C2 domain, such as abc.com. Then I find the infrastructure and find out what is the IP they are connecting. If it is 1.2.3.4, I will quickly do a who is of that particular IP. So this is the basic adversary information of a diamond model. When it is useful to compare and group different intuition, examine similar between the seamless and disparate activities. The limitation it gives high level details.